Conspiracy Unearthed, the pursuit of truth. Unearthed Deceptions, the Moon Landing Hoax Conspiracy. Greetings, fellow seekers of truth. Today, we embark on an intriguing and contentious journey as we delve into one of the most enduring conspiracy theories of our time, the Moon Landing Hoax. In this commentary, we'll carefully examine the main arguments put forth by moon landing skeptics and critically assess their validity. Buckle up as we separate fact from fiction and explore the reality behind this captivating conspiracy theory. The Moon Landing Hoax Conspiracy has captured the imaginations of many over the years, but let's begin by addressing the first claim, the lack of stars in the moon landing photographs. While it's true that stars are not visible in the images, this is not evidence of a hoax. The cameras used during the missions were set for exposure on the brightly lit lunar surface, causing the faint stars to be overwhelmed by the intense sunlight. Numerous experts in astrophysics and photography have confirmed this explanation. Next, let's tackle the iconic scene of the American flag seemingly waving on the moon. Critics argue that since there is no atmosphere on the moon, the flag should not flutter. However, it's essential to understand that the astronauts manually planted the flag, causing it to move momentarily. In the vacuum of space, these movements persist, giving the appearance of a waving flag. This phenomenon is well documented and consistent with the laws of physics. Now, on to the intriguing claim of multiple light sources and inconsistent shadows in the moon landing footage. Skeptics point to this as evidence of artificial studio lighting. However, these arguments neglect the peculiarities of a stark, light-reflective lunar environment. Uneven terrain and various angles of sunlight can create the appearance of multiple light sources and complex shadows without the need for a studio setup. The issue of radiation and the Van Allen belts is also raised by moon landing doubters. It's true that the Van Allen belts pose radiation risks, but the Apollo missions were carefully planned to minimize exposure. The spacecraft passed through the belts quickly, reducing the astronauts' time in these hazardous zones. The extensive precautions taken by NASA ensured the safety of the astronauts during their journey to the moon and back. A frequently mentioned point is the missing original tapes of the Apollo 11 moonwalk. Critics argue that this is a sign of a cover-up. However, the missing tapes are the result of standard archival practices at the time, where tape reuse was common due to limited storage capabilities. While unfortunate, this doesn't diminish the authenticity of the moon landings, as a wealth of other evidence confirms their occurrence. Throughout this investigation, it's evident that the arguments behind the moon landing hoax conspiracy lack compelling evidence. The overwhelming scientific consensus, supported by experts from various fields, affirms the authenticity of the Apollo moon landings. These missions were a testament to human ingenuity, courage, and determination to explore the cosmos. As we conclude this commentary, let's remember the significance of the Apollo missions. They represent humanity's collective endeavor to reach beyond our earthly boundaries and venture into the vast expanse of space. The spirit of exploration and discovery exemplified by these missions should inspire us to continue pushing the boundaries of knowledge. While conspiracy theories can be captivating and spark critical thinking, it's crucial to approach them with a discerning eye and rely on credible evidence. The moon landing hoax conspiracy, like many others, ultimately falls short when subjected to rigorous scrutiny. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the moon landing hoax conspiracy. If you found this commentary thought-provoking, don't forget to like and share this video. As always, let's continue our quest for knowledge, ask questions, and seek the truth with an open mind. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep seeking the truth.